Hi everybody, this is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Stickyball Bingo, or you could play the Stickyball Tic Tac version. Okay, so right here, this is the Stickyball Bingo version, and I have a 4x4 grid, so I have 16 words on the grid. Okay, you could also have a 5x5 grid if you want to and have 25 words. It'll just take longer. If you have more students, you could do that. So what I'll first do, if I'm reviewing these words with the kids, I'll say, grapes, what are grapes? Is it an animal? And they're like, no. I'm like, what is it? And they're like, a fruit. Good. Are they big or small? Small. And I'll try to elicit answers from the kids, try to get them to describe these words. Okay? So depending on how much time I have will depend on how much time I will go through each of those words. Okay? So I make sure that the word that they know, I don't put any new vocab up here. I'm going to pair off the students. So I'm going to divide the class into two teams, Team A and Team B. For each team, I'm going to assign number one. So there's two number ones, one on each team. Number two, number 3, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So that's if I had 12 students. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay? And so then what I do is I draw a line on the floor, or you make a mark on the floor, or you just have a line where the kids are going to throw from the floor. I put the two sticky balls there, boom, and then I will describe a word. I will say, it's a drink. But as you can see, there's more than one drink here. I'll be saying, it's a drink, it's white. It comes from an animal. Number 4. And then number 4s will have to come up and they will have to, whoever hits milk first is the winner. So let's say the black team hits milk, boom. Milk goes to the black team, and then I make the loser. I'll say, hey, good job, good try. Can you make a sentence with milk? And they'll be like, milk is white. I like to drink milk. I don't like to drink milk, etc. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then I'll describe another word. Like, oh, it's an animal. It's green, and it's slow. Number 2. And so then number 2s will come. Whoever, boom, hits turtle first with the sticky ball is the winner. So then the red team gets this one. So eventually, I just keep going until this is pretty much full. Every line that they get that's one solid color, I give them an extra star. If there's no lines whatsoever, I just tally up the points and give the winning team a star. For the loser of each round, I usually make them make a sentence. And that's it. So another variation of this game is that you just have a tic-tac-toe grid. If you have a bigger class, you could have 2 tic-tac-toe grids. Right? And you do it the exact same way, except for one team is O's and one team is X. And this way, if you want the game to end quickly, you get to decide which word is being described and which one they're throwing at. Okay, so you could have one grid or you could have 2 grids. One grid with 9 words, 2 grids would have 18 words. So you just need some vocab words prepared and you play it exactly the same way.